Hey guys, and welcome back to another Vapor Hunting Technologies video. Today in my hand, I have a CNC machine part that we actually manufacture. This is sort of an in-house CNC part that we have in our facilities. But I could tell that someone polished this with a dry blasting because I can tell by the roughness and the aesthetic of it. And it's been laying around for about a couple days and it's got some smudges. So I kind of want to take it into one of our wet blasting machines with a glass bead, and I kind of want to polish this up. Not saying that sandblasting cannot be used to polishing, but it gives you sort of a rough aesthetic. But I kind of want a little bit more smooth or more appealing look. So we're going to put it in one of our wet blasting machines with glass bead, and let's see what it can do. So there you go, guys. As you can see, the wet blasting process did a fantastic job at cleaning and polishing and giving this part a uniform finish. Like I said before, we use glass bead. Glass bead is definitely used for cleaning and polishing and giving parts a very pristine and uniform finish. Like I said before, you can use sandblasting to clean and polish or smooth, but I think what really happened with this part before is that it probably just laid around for so long and there was a lot of hot spotting on it. But we just put it back into one of our machines and just giving it a nice, clean and polish. And that's something you can do with any machine or with any of your parts that you're trying to do. If you're trying to clean and polish, if you're trying to strip a paint or prep it for your coating, you can do these with not only a wet blasting, but you can do it in a sandblasting machine as well. So if you have any questions about what we did here, about wet blasting, about hydroblasting, or about sandblasting, you can call us at 828-202-5563. We also have a website called www.vaporhuntingtechnologies.com. We've, throughout the years, made a ton of videos about these machines, about the process. So if you want to learn more, you can go to our YouTube channel and watch all those videos. So I'm John, and thank you for watching.